The Life of Giraffes. The full story in 70 fascinating facts. Giraffes are one of the most iconic animals on Earth, famous for their extraordinary height and distinctive appearance. Native to Africa, giraffes are the tallest land animals and have evolved unique features to survive in their savanna habitat. Let's dive into the world of giraffes, exploring their lifestyle, social structures, diet, and more, followed by incredible facts about these gentle giants. The Life of Giraffes. Physical characteristics. Height. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males standing about 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall and females about 14 feet, 4.3 meters. Necks. Their necks, while long, only have 7 vertebrae, the same number as humans, but each vertebra can be up to 10 inches, 25 centimeters, long. Tongues. Giraffes have long, prehensile tongues, reaching lengths of 18 to 20 inches, 45 to 50 centimeters, which they use to grab leaves. Their tongues are also dark purple to protect against sunburn. Spots. Giraffe spots are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. These spots help with camouflage and temperature regulation. Habitat location. Giraffes are found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands across sub-Saharan Africa. Their range includes countries like Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. Habitat preference. They prefer areas with plenty of trees, particularly acacia trees, which provide the primary food source. Diet. Herbivorous. Giraffes are herbivores, with their diet mainly consisting of leaves, fruits, and flowers from trees and shrubs, particularly from acacia trees. They can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, of food per day. Water consumption. Giraffes don't need to drink water frequently because they get most of their moisture from the plants they eat. When they do drink, they spread their legs and bend their necks down awkwardly, making them vulnerable to predators. Social structure. Herds. Giraffes live in loose social groups, known as towers. These groups are usually non-territorial and constantly changing, made up of related females and their offspring, with males joining occasionally. Male behavior. Males engage in a form of combat known as necking, where they swing their necks and heads to strike each other to establish dominance. The winner often gets mating rights with females. Reproduction and life cycle. Gestation. Female giraffes have a gestation period of about 15 months. They give birth standing up, meaning the newborn calf falls around 6 feet, 1.8 meters, to the ground. Calves. A newborn giraffe is about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall and can stand and walk within an hour of birth. Calves are vulnerable to predators, so mothers are highly protective. Lifespan. Giraffes typically live about 25 years in the wild, though they can live longer in captivity. Predators and threats. Natural predators. Young giraffes are preyed upon by lions, hyenas, leopards, and wild dogs. Adult giraffes are usually too large for most predators, but lions may sometimes target them. Human threats. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict are significant threats to giraffe populations. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect them from further decline. Fascinating facts about giraffes. 1. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. 2. Male giraffes are taller than females, reaching up to 18 feet. 3. A giraffe's heart can weigh around 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, and is powerful enough to pump blood up their long necks. 4. Their necks contain only 7 vertebrae, like humans, but each vertebra is much larger. 5. Giraffes have the longest tails of any land mammal, growing up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters. 6. A giraffe's spots are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. 7. Their tongue is about 18-20 inches, 45-50 centimeters, long and is dark purple to protect against sunburn. 8. Giraffes' tongues are prehensile, allowing them to grasp and pull leaves from trees. 9. Giraffes only need to drink water once every few days. They get most of their water from their diet. 10. Giraffes sleep only 4.6 hours per day on average, often in short bursts. 11. A giraffe's neck is too short to reach the ground, so they must spread their legs or kneel to drink. 12. Giraffes are herbivores, eating leaves, flowers, fruits, and tree bark. 13. They prefer acacia trees, whose leaves are rich in nutrients. 14. Adult giraffes can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, of vegetation daily. 15. Despite their height, giraffes are capable of running up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, over short distances. 16. Giraffes can kick with enough force to kill a lion. 17. Newborn giraffes are around 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall at birth. 18. Giraffes give birth standing up, and the calf falls about 6 feet during delivery. 19. A giraffe's gestation period lasts around 15 months. 20. Calves can stand and walk within an hour of being born. 21. Only about 50% of giraffe calves survive their first year due to predation. 22. Giraffes are generally silent but can communicate with grunts, snorts, and hisses. 23. Infrasound is also used by giraffes to communicate over long distances. 24. Male giraffes engage in necking, a form of combat using their necks to strike each other. 25. The winner of a necking contest usually gains access to females for mating. 26. Giraffes' long necks evolved primarily for competition over food, not just for reaching high branches. 27. Their legs alone are about 6 feet long, taller than many humans. 28. Giraffes are native to sub-Saharan Africa, primarily found in savannas and open woodlands. 29. Giraffes' tall stature helps them spot predators from afar. 30. They can survive for extended periods without drinking water. 31. Giraffes are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss and poaching. 32. There are 9 subspecies of giraffes, each with slightly different coat patterns. 33. The Rothschild's giraffe is one of the most endangered subspecies. 34. Giraffes' legs have thick skin and strong muscles to support their massive size. 35. Giraffes have a unique walking style, moving both legs on one side of their body simultaneously. 36. They use their long necks to strip leaves from trees that other herbivores can't reach. 37. Giraffes can gallop, a faster pace where all 4 legs leave the ground. 38. Giraffe calves grow rapidly, doubling their height in their first year. 39. Female giraffes form nursery herds to protect their young from predators. 40. Giraffes are important for seed dispersal, helping plants spread by eating and excreting seeds. 41. Adult giraffes face few natural predators but are vulnerable to lions when drinking. 42. Giraffes are ruminants, meaning they chew cud, regurgitating and rechewing food. 43. Giraffes can live for over 25 years in the wild. 44. In captivity, giraffes can live even longer, sometimes reaching their early 30s. 45. Giraffes' hooves are about 12 inches in diameter, helping them support their weight. 46. Giraffes have strong neck muscles to support their heavy heads. 47. Male giraffes are known as bulls, females as cows, and young giraffes as calves. 48. A giraffe's long eyelashes help protect their eyes from dust. 49. Giraffes can go weeks without drinking water, as they obtain most of their moisture from plants. 50. Giraffes have been spotted drinking salty water from mineral-rich lakes. 51. Their powerful neck muscles are supported by a large ligament called the nuchal ligament. 52. Giraffes are typically peaceful animals, avoiding conflict whenever possible. 53. Giraffes can communicate using low-frequency sounds that are undetectable to humans. 54. They are known for their curious nature and are often seen investigating new objects in their environment. 55. Giraffes can survive on as little as 10 minutes of deep sleep per day. 56. A giraffe's lungs can hold up to 12 gallons, 45 liters, of air. 57. Giraffes have a unique pressure regulation system to prevent fainting when raising and lowering their heads. 58. Their fur contains natural chemicals that act as a repellent against parasites. 59. Some giraffes have darker spots than others due to age. Older giraffes have darker coats. 60. Giraffes have no vocal cords, which is why they are typically silent. 61. Giraffes occasionally sleep standing up but lie down for deeper sleep. 62. Giraffes' long necks allow them to regulate their body temperature. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. 2 hearts.